Damn. I know you better. That ain't matter, my nigga. Mad at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's me. But this shit bigger than me and you alone. So while you're running out, first shade reminiscing. This should be looking for us.
Hi, it's the morning. Well, it's basically noon, but it's the morning. Today I'm feeling extra bakey, extra cookie, just extra, really and truly. You know, it gets like that sometimes. I'm gonna make chocolate cupcakes today, right? But before that, we're gonna have French toast for breakfast. Yeah.
I pull up in the ladder, me out of Benz and a Prada, yeah. Couple brand new others, all of them full, it don't matter, no. 0 to 102, then you saw me flex on you. All up in my section, you, I step on you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you what my legs can do. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby.
Guy, can you believe that? I didn't even finish making the French toast. Like, I was making it, and then because like some was ready, my mom came and took one. Then my brother, I told him, it's like my older brother, I told him that it's better when it's hot, so I called him and he also took. And then we went out eating. Guy, I finished my own. I've not even got to go and sit down. There's only 2 left now, and the 2 left for Bube. So I didn't even video. I didn't even video like the frying, the eating, nothing. It's gone. Like, I can show you Bube's zone, but it's gone.
2 hours later.
Today we're making chocolate cupcakes with Bube. This made so much sense to do because I have a busy work week ahead. So having snacks to take with me while simultaneously practicing my baking is just a perfect use of my time.
Yes, I have. Look. You're all I can think of. See? I cracked a lot of things. Look at this girl, look at this girl, look at this girl.
Vanilla.
Vanilla, 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 illa. Look at this girl. She put in the vanilla in. Look at this girl. Look at this girl. She put in the vanilla in.
Messy.
What? She did a messy over here. Most of it went inside of here. So not really messy.
Put in the coffee yet. Put the buttermilk. Careful. Careful. Bube, oh my gosh. Do it carefully now. Small. And put your hand closer in.
Can I mixy? I want to mixy. Okay, my head will mixy my brain.
See the yolk just there dancing.
Stop it.
No, I like how it's just dancing everywhere. Should we stop it?
Yes, stop it.
Ooh. Oh, this is so cool.
Okay. Let me do now.
Let pause.
I'm moving with the chocolate. You focus on the
god, Bube, it's so drippy.
Cause we made it so drippy. Look at that. Oh my god. It's an unborn cupcake out in the wild. Okay. Look at it. Look at them. They're like unborn children. Yeah.
I pull up in the ladder, me out of Benz and a Prada, yeah. Couple brand new others, all of them fully don't matter, no. 0 to 102, then you send me flex on you. All up in my section, you, I step on you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you what my legs can do. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, girl, you know me need it, need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it, achieve it. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, girl, you know me need it, need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it. I pull up to the body, yeah, I know I should wind up your body for me. Pull up and down the road, yeah, baby, need it. Fight for it, me achieve it. I pull up in the Audi, yeah, I know I should wind up your body for me. Pull up and down the Audi, yeah, I know I should fight for it, me achieve it, achieve it.
Good morning, guys. It's the first day of a long week ahead. I'm booked for 4 days back to back, so I had to be up, ready, and out of the house to get on the train and start my journey to my client. Today we're doing a 12-year-old's hair. Wait, actually, I think she's 13 now because I think I did her birthday hair the last time. So yeah, this is a loyal client. I've done her hair like 4 or 5 times now, and it's been the same style every single time. I don't even blame her because the hairstyle is cute. So this time she said she wanted the same thing but like with Fulani in front. She initially wanted those flip over Fulani, but then she now saw one picture that was looking nice, and I don't blame her for changing because the hairstyle ate down. So yeah, we're just going with the flow. She usually does like curls everywhere, but like this time she was like the curls tango a lot, so I should just put like 10 or 9 in the whole entire head. So I just like spaced out the curls so that it doesn't look too scanty, and it turned out so good. This was a color mix of 27 and brown. I think the brown was color 8 for anyone that wants to do this style. So it was medium, knotless, and then Fulani in front. Yeah. I've been having a lot of big feelings recently. Just like and I never feel lonely. I love being on my own. I always prefer being on my own than being with people. And I feel like maybe I've been like overcompensating, being out and stuff like that. want to watch TV. Kind of bored. Be in my sweats and stuff like that. Just feel really damn late. A little bit frightened that I might feel like this now. Guys, I'm so tired, and like the UK is like summer is ending, but so we're going back. Summer is ending, so we're going back to like dark evenings. Like it's literally just 7. I don't know why it's dark. Why is it dark? No. Tell me why it's dark. But guys, like the headache I'm having right now is only Oreo ice cream that can cure my headache, which means I have to go to KFC when I get down from this stupid train. That's the reason that is killing me. I can't even put the camera up. Just enjoy this angle as it is. I don't need any complaints from anybody, thank you. But like on a serious note, like God, my head is banging. I don't know why, because I've been doing hair for how long now? Why is my head banging? I think it's because my headphones were on all day, and I'm actually just genuinely tired. Mind you, I'm doing hair again tomorrow and the day after that, so wish me luck. But yeah, like it's only Oreo ice cream that can help me right now. So I still have like 20 minutes left of this train journey, and then after that I'm gonna go to KFC. That walk is not long, but it's long. Maybe I'll just go home. But I know that's what will make me happy now, that ice cream, so I have to go. What you won't do for love. Okay, I need you guys to pay attention. Look at all this walking here. There's train station, there's out of the train station, there's turnings, bunch of different things that I was doing, like walking and stuff. Tell me why the ice cream that I walked all the way to KFC for was not there. I had to buy this chicken thing just so that I knew that I did not waste my time, which I did technically. But you know, it is well. I shall go home safely and everything. So yeah. Outside the things that a man be done, outside of the things that would cause each other, outside of enjoy the show. So we in Houston, celebrating for the Houston and now to Vegas. Get ready to Vegas. Now we in Houston. We definitely going Good morning, it's another day, which means more work. But at least today I had time before leaving because it was not a long journey. So I had time to like do a fruit bowl, you know, really like get ready. I wasn't rushing to go nowhere because the place I was going to was quite close to mine. Crazy love. High volume. Mad at my nigga, mad at the fact he ain't with you, mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger than me alone. So why you putting on but a shade room and Insta? Bitch still be looking for attention. Trust me, you can get it. Pull up whenever. You know I'm with it, don't get it twisted. Nothing like none of these bitches. Another day, another client, another money to be made. Money I have to make. Guys, it's still summer. Yay! You guys, the person I'm doing her hair today, she said that she was going to pick me up from the station, right? But then she said that since I'm coming a bit later than we had planned before, that I should just walk it, right? So, and I didn't know that the walk was a short walk. So now that I know, I think that's fine. So that it's a 10-minute walk, which isn't bad. You get. So now she has explained, because if I use like maps or whatever, it will take me down the normal road, which is long. But she now explained that there's a shortcut somewhere. But this her explanation is not really it's not really explaining. So now I'm just going to hope for the best, because she was saying something about walking down an alley. Thank God it's daylight. Thank God it's bright outside. Because what do you mean walking down an alley? Look at me. Do I look like I should be walking down an alley, bro? But yeah, I know I'm gonna get there safely, quickly, everythingly, you know.
Sometimes I get in my feelings. Sometimes I know I be tripping.
Yeah, she's actually really nice. She's super nice. She just, because I sent her a picture to show her where I was, and she was like, no, you've gone the wrong way. So I'm like, no shit. And then she calls me, and then she's literally takes me through the entire walk. And now I am on track and basically there. So I'll see you guys later.
Wondering if you even know this bitch for real. Learning that you screw this bitch for real. Baby on a groovy my nigga. Bad at the fact he ain't with you. Bad at the fact that it's me. But this shit bigger than me and you alone. So while you're running on, first shade reminiscing. This should be looking for attention. Better. Bad at my nigga. Bad at the fact he ain't with you. Bad at the fact that it's me. But this shit bigger than me and you alone. So while you're running on, first shade reminiscing. This should be looking for attention.
Nothing. Guys, I have to say, this was one of the best appointments I've had in a while. There's hair probably in my eye somewhere. Give me a second. I have to say, this was probably one of the best appointments I've had literally in forever. Like, the only thing is, like, her hair is a lot. Like, look at the time, bro. Hair is long and full. But the experience was beautiful. Her house, beautiful. Car, beautiful. Everything. Her attitude, vibes, energy, the show we were watching. Everything just made sense. Like, I didn't even mind having to stay late. Because usually when hair is taking this much time, I'm just like, oh, guys, can we go home? Yeah, there's rain. And it's raining. Oh, it's raining. But at least she drove me to the station. So I really have no complaints. I'll be sorry. I'm just waiting for this train to come. And then I'm home in my bed. Don't play. Have sausage roll. Yeah, I bought 4. I've eaten 2. And there's 2 remaining. I don't know why I bought 4. But yeah. You know when you're feeling hungry, like I thought I was the hungriest person in the world. I went and bought 4. Look at me now. Look at me now. The train finally came. Finally. Good morning. It's the 4th and final working day. Don't play. So today's journey was quick. I was actually going back to the same place that I had just went to the previous day. Okay, wait, no. See, I'm a bit confused. Guys, I'm trying to find it in me to do this hair today. Like, I missed the first train, and then the next train was in an hour. So I'm already like an hour late. And then the hair is gonna take forever. I can already feel it. I can already feel it within me. But you know, it's another day, up and grateful. You know, up and grateful. I got good sleep, I think. I can't remember. But yeah, I almost even missed the second train. It was only God, really and truly. But you know, at least I'm on my way now. Yeah. Good morning, guys. Bro. Good morning. It's another day. I'm supposed to be getting ready like right now. But am I getting ready? I'm supposed to be like, you know, getting ready, dressed up, eating, all of that. Today we have another client. It's been a busy week, bro. But I think after today I can rest just a little bit, you know. Wow. But yeah, I would say come with me, but I'm supposed to be rushing, so I don't think I'm gonna record anything.
How you make me feel when you come to mind. I can't keep my cool, baby, baby. I can't hold it inside. I can't wait each day just to see you. Trying to move in close to get you there. Not trying to be rude, baby, baby. Nothing venture, nothing gain. Oh, I'm telling you.
Guys, it's just me and my cupcakes, for real. Like, me and my cupcakes, we go together real bad, bro, real bad. Also, I'm so happy to be done with this hair. Glad. Guys, bro, as soon as I left their place, like as soon as I finished the hair, left the place, I started downing these cupcakes, bro. Hunger won't kill person.
That's all I can use to stay my attention.